Hello students. In second topic mechanical properties of fluids, today we are going to discuss about excess pressure across the free surface of liquid. Consider vector Fa be the force due to atmospheric pressure in all cases, like plane liquid surface, convex and concave liquid surfaces. Consider two molecules, molecule A and B, in all cases such that molecule A is just above and molecule B is just below the molecule A inside the liquid. In this case, plain liquid surface, the resultant force due to surface tension of liquid is almost zero. So, only the pressure is due to atmospheric pressure, which decides pressure on this plane surface, and there is no level difference between molecule A and molecule B. So, there is no difference in pressure, or pressure at molecule A and molecule B are almost same. Now, consider second case, convex liquid surface, as shown in this figure B. In this case, the resultant force due to surface tension of liquid is directing in downward direction, which gets added with atmospheric force or force due to atmospheric pressure. So, this force, this results excess pressure on molecule B. Thus we can say that the pressure is larger towards this concave surface than the pressure in the convex surface. Concave surface means inside the liquid surface. Pressure in or pressure towards the concave surface, that is inside the liquid, is greater than the pressure towards convex surface, that is outside the liquid. So, the surface becomes convex surface. Now, see this concave liquid surface as in figure C. In this case, the resultant force due to surface tension of liquid is directing in upward direction, which is opposite to the force due to atmospheric pressure. This results less pressure on molecule B inside the liquid. Thus, we can say that the pressure at convex side, that is inside the liquid, is less compared to the pressure at concave surface, that is outside the liquid. So, the liquid surface becomes concave due to this pressure difference. This was about pressure exerting on two different molecules, molecule A and molecule B, in different shapes of liquid surfaces. So thank you, students.